Hola, hoy les traigo la cajita de Influenster. Esto es una cajita de suscripción, no tienen que pagar. Todo el mundo que me conoce ya de años saben que nosotros cogemos cajitas gratis. Y esta es creo que la Snow Box. Let us know. Y pues la cajita es una cajita que ustedes van al website de Influencers, llenan los cuestionarios y si llenan lo suficiente, usualmente te consideran como un influencer, ellos te mandan una caja. Y pues esta caja trae, bueno, vamos a empezar aquí. Esto es un mask bar black gold peel off. Okay, you guys, so again, I'm gonna do this bilingual because I don't want people asking me why I didn't do it in, a certain language. So this one is the black gold foil sheet mask. It says it's this luxurious gold foil with charcoal sheet mask, help you deep cleanse, unclog pores, while also calming, soothing skin. So básicamente es una máscara de cara hecha de black charcoal que te ayuda refrescar. So I'll be trying this very soon. The bark the bark box, young Grinch and Max antlers. No, wait, this is the Grinch. This is the antler, and the box went down. Box down. So I got this antler and the Grinch. Okay, so mandaron estas dos cositas de la cajita de Bark Box y es para un perro. I mean, you put a dog's head in here. I don't think Miss is gonna allow me to do this, but yeah, it's for the dogs. And I don't have any. It's gonna have to go to my mom's. She started running my cat. Anyways, but this is so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so the next thing is this Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Protector. I've had this before. I actually do like it. So it's just a cream. And we have, what else? Oh, that Not Your Mother's Natural shampoo. It's a dry shampoo. I kind of want to use a little bit. And so this is the dry shampoo. I usually do buy this brand, but the last few times I just didn't like it. It was not working for me. It was making my hair itchy. So this, I actually tried it today. Kind of love the smell. It boosts up my hair. It looks clean. Does the job. And so I'm giving this a try and see if I like this one. I actually have the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm not a fan of those, but this, yeah, kind of like it. So yeah, esto es el dry shampoo que vino en la cajita de Influenster. Yo estaba hablando de que me gusta cómo funciona el producto y que le voy a dar un chance. Y pues de esta marca tengo el champú y el acondicionador, pero decidí no volverlo a comprar. No me gustó, me gustó el olor. Lo que, no sé, la textura de mi pelo últimamente después de la operación ha sido como que yo no reconozco lo que es mi cuerpo, mi pelo, ni nada. So, estoy trabajando y usando diferentes productos para ver cuál es el que me funciona. Pero eso es todo para la cajita de Box. Espero te haya gustado y nos vemos la próxima. So that is all, you guys. For the Box, wanna get one? Click the link below and register. Si quieres coger una, aprieta el link abajo y regístrate. Bye.